between the Amazon River and the Andes Mountains is Inti Suyu, where lush rainforest, dangerous waters, and high altitudes host some of the most thrilling hunting in all of the world. It truly is a hunter's dream, but spend a night here and you'll see there's another side to paradise. Deadly predators, altitude changes, and meddling from outside forces is making life difficult for us. So if you could offer your services, we'd really appreciate it. We'll even introduce you to Pablo. He's not much of a talker though. You see, there's more than just adventure waiting for you in Peru. But if you don't experience it yourself, you'll never know what's hiding just beneath the surface. Welcome to Peru. Welcome to Inti Suyu.